Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to generate an access code in Google Family Link. Alright, let's begin. First, open a browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome. Search for Google Family Link and open the official website. Log into your account with your Google credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, select Parent Access Code. This section is where you can create and view the access code needed for managing a supervised device. The access code allows you to temporarily unlock or manage a child's device without removing supervision. It is updated regularly, so whenever you need it, just return to this menu, and a new code will be generated for you to use. So that's basically how you can generate an access code in Google Family Link. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.